Hi, in this video I am going to show you Figma's interface. After you have downloaded Figma, I recommended you better install the desktop version of Figma. In the previous video, I showed you how to do it. I will leave the video link in the description under this video. The advantages of the desktop version are that it allows you to use hotkeys and they are very easy to work. We will talk about them later. And all the fonts that you have installed in the system will be automatically pulled into Figma. Open Figma and we are already greeted here by files, Figma gem templates, wireframing, prototyping. There are training files for all new users. All new users have them here. Right now we are in the Recent tab. These are the recent files you have opened. The next tab is Drafts. It is place where each new file goes by default. When I create a new file, I press plus. Let's click. Here we can create new design file or new Figma gem file or search some file from your list. Or click plus across drafts. Here we can create new design file or new Figma gem file or import design from Sketch. Or click plus here. It will be the same as before. New design file, design and prototype, new Figma gem file, whiteboard and diagram, import file. Okay, let's create new design file, and to start, let's call it, for example, test, and close it. Let's see where it went. It appeared in recents, but it is in drafts. Let's look at the file that is in team project. Difference between drafts and team projects is that drafts is a file where you can personally work. You cannot give someone else access to edit. You can share this file for viewing. Any person, for example, your client or the developer, can come in and look at the code or download pictures, but they cannot make any changes. And if you have colleagues with who you want to work, then you need to move the file to team project. How to move the file? It is very simple. Go to where your file is, select it and drag it to the team project. Ready? This file is here now. We can also transfer it back to drafts. We see the text with the clarification. Are you sure you want to move this file? Team members may lose access to it. If you don't want anyone to make changes to your file, then move it. There is a block here, upgrade for premium features. If we press the button view plans, we will see the offer to buy Figma. Currently we are using the free version of Figma Starter. It is fully functional. You have no limitations. If you work as a freelancer or work for a company, you can design here or give the project to your client and get paid for your design. Free version is Starter. It provides 30 days saves your actions in the memory history. 3 files that you can give other people access to edit as many people as you want. These 3 files have their own additional limitations. Each file can have no more than 3 pages and you can only have 1 project in total. The projects we have here, I have 1 team study inside this team. 1 project is called by standard team project. For example, if I want to create 1 more project inside this team study, I will be asked to upgrade to professional. I have here plus, create new team. I can create another team like banner. Here we are asked to add people. I can skip this, again choose starter, that is the free version. Now there are already 2 teams, so you can create several teams. 1 project and 3 files will be available in each of these teams. Okay, let's delete this team now. We are asked to write the name of the team. To delete it, banner. Okay. Professional version, if you want to work with other people who can edit your file, then you have to pay for each person $12 per month. The one who invites pays for the person who is in the team.
For beginners, of course, it is difficult.
Favorite files are convenient block. Hover over any file and click the star to add it here. If you work with many files, save your files temporarily here to avoid long searching. At any time you can click the star back and the file will disappear from here. We looked at the left panel. Now let's see what we have at the top. Switching accounts here. You can switch between them and copy files. Figma allows you to do it without any problems. Then there is a search bar. This is a search inside for your files. For example, I entered prototype. My file will be pulled up and 96 more results from community. Next is the tab Explore Community. If we press it, we see how everything changes very much. Everything becomes like a regular browser. Here you will look for files and plugins that are shared with other users. That is all the plugins that you want to install. You will search here. We will talk about it in a separate video. It is a big topic. There are many useful resources here. In the meantime, click on the house and come back here. Here are your notifications. Here are your account settings, your email name, plugins. Look for plugins. Here will be your plugins, or you can develop your plugin. Internal profile, switch on the list. Settings, your account settings. Topic, we can change them black or white. Change account, go out, and here you can find help and resource from Figma. Okay, in the next video we will look at the interface inside the file itself. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video lessons. If you want and can, then support the development of my channel through my Patreon. Thank you very much. See you!